Hello, and welcome to SmythOS's monthly product update video series. We have 5 new updates we're excited to share today. Our first update is Whitelabel Logoing for Spaces. You can now personalize your workspace with the new Whitelabel Logo feature. Space owners can upload their custom logos, replacing the default SmythOS logo displayed in the top left-hand corner. Customizing your space to your organization or business needs are easier than ever with this new feature. Second, we have made a lot of new improvements to our AI agent Weaver. We've added a suite of new functionalities. You can now attach images, allowing you to convert graphs and flowcharts into actionable agent workflows. We've also improved response quality and introduced new tools such as Fix with AI button, allowing Weaver to help you add missing keys and fix errors more effectively. Our third update is a new help menu. Say hello to the help menu in our Agent Studio, designed to help you get started, grow your skills, and unlock the full potential of SmythOS. You can access video tutorials, quick start guides, community links, and feedback tools, all in one convenient place. Our fourth update are many new integrations, such as KWrd.ai and ClickUp. You can expand your toolkit with our new integrations. KWrd.ai helps optimize content creation with AI-driven keyword suggestion, while ClickUp integration streamlines tasks and project management. Together, they can bring new levels of efficiency to your workflows. And our last update is expanded model support. Now we support Claude 3.5 Haiku and Grok-Beta. You can generate poetic haiku or explore insights with XAI's cutting-edge capabilities. Stay tuned for more updates from SmythOS. Visit our website and join our community to keep up with the latest features and enhancements. Let's build the future of AI together.